Hi! So for today's vlog, mag-unbox pa tayo ng chocolate cake at saka cassava cake. So, this is just 270 pesos and I think there are 24 pieces inside. So, let's test. I-judge natin if masarap na to. Let's go! So, let's unbox this one now. Ta-da! Wow! Look at that. So let's try first this one is cassava cake. Wow. Let's try. Melt. Ang nalanay na iyang kuhan. Ano? Alright, dari apil. Lame yung cassava cake. This one also. Look at that. Ouch. Look at that. Lame. Let's try also the chocolate. Ano yan? Chocolate. Okay. Lame. Let's try. Let's try another one. Sarap naman siya. Worth it yung 200 pesos niya. And sa taga Cebu kay murag na nakailani niya sige panglibot. Nang maligya siya aning sa mga mall. Nagpautang sa siya. So guys, if kailangan mo try, I don't know kung sa siya. Wala sa siya yung page, but natura siya sa store para mamaligya. Okay? Overall is masarap po siya. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.